Good morning, student. Let's start our chemistry class. As we finish till here, a good chemical laboratory must have the apparatus and equipment as shown the previous page. Which means on page number 13 you can see this type of thing is given. These all are apparatus. All of these are apparatus which are used in our chemistry lab. Okay, so one by one we will learn about that what from where it is used and from which it is made. So the first one, that is a test tube. Test tube is made up of hard or pyrex glass. Hard glass or pyrex glass. Pyrex, that is a brand. Pyrex is a brand name. That Borosil glass you heard about, that Borosil glass. So that is a borosilicate. Is glass is made from borosilicate. Borosilicate. From borosilicate glass is made from, which is known as a Pyrex glass. Pyrex brand is made glass from this, and which is very nice and good in quality. So where it is used, used to conduct test with the small quantity of chemical and for heating and boiling purpose. Which means that here it is. This is the test tube. It is a so many size. Here it is given the 15 centimeter size. The size of this is 15 centimeter, just like this pencil. This much of size it is. This much of size it is. That is not necessary that size have to be like this only. It can be bigger also, and it can be smaller also for that. There are various type of test tube, and we use regarding our purpose. If we want to make a small quantity of the chemical, then we can use a smaller test tube. And in big laboratory and big experiment is there, then we are using a bigger test tube. Okay, I hope you understand this test tube. And this test tube is made up of the Pyrex glass. And Pyrex glass have a capacity, when we heat this test tube, this glass test tube, it cannot able to break at till particular point. Okay, I hope you understand this. You need to remember the made from hardened Pyrex glass and used to conduct the test. Used to conduct a test. Test tube stand. A rack made up of wood or plastic. Okay, so test tube stand, it is look like this. This is the test tube stand. And test tube stand, here you can see this here. From here the test tube जो होती है उसको उल्टा रखा जाता है. Here it is like this, and here the back side hole where it is put a straight. Okay, so it is made from wood or plastic. So to keep the test tube in an organized manner, we need a different test tube. For chemical reaction we need sometime 2 test tube, 3 test tube, 4 test tube, 6 test tube. So we need to arrange in particular manner. So for making putting that test tube, so we are using the test tube stand. Okay, so keep the test tube in a organized manner. Next one, the test tube holder. Test tube holder is look like this here. In this test tube holder, here in this area, the test tube we are keeping, and then tight it. Then tight it from here. Here there is a thing, through that we can tight this test tube. Why we need this test tube holder? Here it is. A test tube holder made from the metallic rod with the clamp at one end and the handle at another end, which means that here this is a clamp and here the handle. Handle is made up from wood and this is made up from iron, metallic iron. Okay, iron rod. This is. What is the use of this? To hold the test tube while they are heated, which means that in a test tube we want to heat some chemical. We need to hold our test tube in a test tube holder, and then we hold this test tube in front of the burner. So we can so this is the very careful thing. This is the very important thing to understand for protect ourselves. So to hold the test tube while they are heated. Then beaker. Beaker is look like this. Here, this is the beaker. Beaker also various type of beaker. 25 ml beaker, 50 ml beaker, 100 ml beaker, 500 ml beaker, 1000 ml beaker. Depending upon our requirement, the beaker size we decide. And the beaker made from plastic as well as borax or pyrex glass. So the made up of glass and available in a different size. Here it is not mentioned that it is made from plastic. But why? Because sometime only it is used a plastic beaker. Otherwise the maximum time we are using a glass beaker. What is the purpose? For the preparation and the keeping of solution. So test tube we are doing test, but if we want to feel some chemical for chemical reaction or some preparation, we are keeping solution or we are keeping reagent into the beaker. Okay, then flask. Here there are three type of flask: 1, 2 and 3. This is called a round bottom flask. This is called a flat bottom flask, and this is a conical flask. Cone shape, that's why conical flask. Flat shape, that's why flat bottom flask, and the round bottom flask. So the made up of glass, flask made up of glass, and three type of flask are the most common: round bottom, flat bottom and conical. What is the use of the flask? Used during the experiment to hold the sufficient quantity of solution, which means that suppose we are doing some chemical reaction and the chemical there are high amount of the chemical required, which means बहुत ज़्यादा solution चाहिए, कोई chemical reaction करनी है. We can at that time we cannot able to use this test tube because it is smaller than this. So sometime we use this conical flask. Okay. So the purpose of used during experiment to hold the sufficient quantity of a solution. Okay. Next in a next video.